This is my Apple Watch. I got it for Christmas. I like it. It has a number of watch faces. This one is the one I use most often because it gives the most data, but it can be changed. For instance, this customizable one I have here, it changes images every time you raise your wrist. That's the golden cockerel from a illustration by Pushkin. That's the Columbia walking eye. That's another Columbia walking eye. That's a tarot card image, the moon, Burbank High School seal. That's a album cover from the Blue Oyster Cult. That's a Blue Oyster Cult glyph. That's a BYU logo. I went there. A golden cockerel again. United States Marine Corps. There's where I work, USPTO. Vlad Dracula, a friend of mine painted that back in the 1970s. That is the city of Burbank, where I'm from. That's a Moroni atop a temple. That's another angel Moroni atop a temple. That's the Virginia State Seal. There's the old version of Virginia State Seal. See, it cycles through these every time you raise your wrist. There's the California Bear flag. And the Tower of Destruction. That's another tarot card design. I did all these. That's another California State Seal. And cycles through again. Every time you raise your wrist, it goes through another one of these. Now, it also has other watch faces. For instance, this one's kind of ugly. It's extra large. This one is sort of modern. This one gives you the idea of where the sun is during the day. It sets on that face. This is a chronograph with a number of complications. This is the one my grandkids like.
It's 1:39.
Yeah, Mickey Mouse. Now this one, the astronomy one, is pretty cool. That gives the moon, the phase of the moon, but you can also show where the sun is in relation to the Earth. That pulsating green dot is where we are in Virginia, or you can touch that and show the solar system. That's where we are now. If you cycle through this, you can see the planets in their orbits. And if you give it 2 quick taps, it lines them up and shows you which planet is which. So that one's pretty cool. And then there's a utility one. There's a moon phase at upper left, the temperature at upper right, and then there's the countdown timer. I use this all the time for various things. Just knocked my camera. But anyway, it's pretty cool.